What's up guys, this is Kevin the Serious Man, and this video is something I've been looking forward to making for a while. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I'm actually pretty big on iPhone and premium iPhone accessories. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into the world of premium accessories with two stunning offers from a company called Andar. We've got the Aspen iPhone 14 Pro Max case and the Capsule AirPods Pro Gen 2 case that we're going to be unboxing, and I'm going to be sharing you my initial impressions with you on both. I mean, now we all know how important it is to protect our precious gadgets, such as our mobile phones and the accessories. And Andar has been making moves, providing us with some high quality leather products. So we're going to go ahead and kick things off by unboxing the Aspen iPhone 14 Pro Max case. All right, so here's the Andar Aspen case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And as you guys can see, it's a very minimalist style. All cardboard, nothing on the back but a sticker telling you which kind of phone is on it or isn't this is made for. Just some very minimalist looks, no colors, nothing else. It's just cardboard. But I mean, if it works, it works. So go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside. And there it is, a special card. Thank you for your purchase, $5 off with a QR code. That's very nice. Now I've got a special discount code that's going to be available in the description below, so make sure you guys do check that out at the end of the video. And right off the bat, I can kind of smell that full grain leather that they were talking about. This is the case, or at least this is the bag that has the case. Very cool. Let's go ahead, let's see, just Andar here. Inside of it is the case itself. Yep, and there's that leather scent I got right off the bat. It feels very, very good. This is the 100% full grain leather that all of Andar's products are made out of, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later on. But feeling it in hand is really nice. There's the MagSafe ring. Let's see. And what else? We got a microfiber lining here. Okay, cutouts for the volume here. There's the power button. This feels like plastic, might be metal, I'm really not sure. And we've got a precision cut here for the volume or the silence button there. I mean, which we might have to actually start calling the action button for when the iPhone 15 comes out. Depending on when you're watching this video, the iPhone 15 may or may not be released, and Andar hasn't said as of yet when they'd have a leather case ready. But the good news is that as of this video, the Andar Aspen case, yeah, that's right, the Aspen case is available for all the iPhone 14 models, the iPhone 13 models, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and even the iPhone 12 mini. Cutouts for the speaker and the charger, and a nice ring here for the camera fit out. Very, very nice. I love this. It feels so high quality. It's got that new car leather scent. And overall, this is a very good case, man. It feels sturdy. Doesn't feel low quality at all. Like they really put some time and thought into this. This is super nice, guys. Now, one thing I am going to be very excited out to see is that I've heard things about the leather canteening over a certain amount of time. I mean, I can tell right off the bat that this is very good quality. It's 100% full grain leather that is one of the highest quality grades of leather that's out there. Can't wait to see, but putting this through the tests is what it's going to look like in a couple of days or maybe a couple of months once it's got some wear and tear to it. Other than that, this is a very, very premium feeling case. Sorry for the stutter, guys. I'm very excited to have this. But let's talk about full grain leather, the creme de la creme of leather. Unlike top grain or genuine leather, full grain retains its natural perfections, making each piece unique. Andar's commitment to using full grain leather in their products makes a huge difference. As you guys can see, it's durable, it lasts beautifully, and it displays an unmistakable aroma that simply spells or smells luxury. I love the way this case looks. All right, moving on to the Capsule AirPod Pro Gen 2 case. This is another winner in my book. Crafted from the same dedication to quality, this case is made from luxurious full grain leather, same leather that we saw in the Aspen case. It's precision cut so that you can ensure that your AirPods are going to be very nicely fit, and might give you a good peace of mind too with a touch of elegance to your tech setup. Let's start by looking around the packaging. This is, again, very simple, very low-key and minimalist. Not a lot of branding here, not a lot of colors. It's straight to the point. Seems to be a common theme that I'm starting to see more and more. We can unbox it using this tab here at the bottom. If I can get it, it's a little bit stubborn. There we go. All right, and there's that leather smell immediately hitting my nose, just like before. Now I'm starting to feel like I'm in a jewelry store. Or I should be in a fine jewelry store because, I mean, the smell and texture of the leather, there's a nice certain opulence that comes to these accessories that I'm really, really digging right now. And guess what? Just like the Aspen case, this too is compatible with the wireless MagSafe chargers and wireless chargers, which will make recharging this a breeze without sacrificing any kind of style. Andar has once again shown attention to detail by creating a case that seamlessly blends the aesthetics and the functionality in the hand. Feeling this in hand is really, really light. You can see the quality stitching here. Put that down on the outside. On the inside, feels like it's got the same microfiber. There's an Andar logo here and a little cutout for the power. Feels very, very quality, very good in the hand. This is something, guys, that, you know, if you're really into, like I said, high quality premium accessories, these are the ones that you got to have inside of your daily or your everyday carry per se. Definitely something I'm going to be taking into mind when I'm doing my carry videos from here on out, and when I'm doing my carries in general. But I mean, this is just excellent. It feels like new car leather, like something fresh out of a Mercedes-Benz or a BMW for sake. I really, really like this, guys. And having both the Aspen iPhone 14 Pro Max case and the capsule case for the AirPods Pro Gen 2 has been an absolute treat so far. The scent of the leather alone on both of these products has been an essential experience as part of the unboxing and just adds to the overall quality that they have. The craftsmanship is top-notch, from the precisely cut openings to the immaculate stitching. Not only are these cases protective, but they also elevate the overall style and look of your devices. That's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons below if you'd like to see more content just like this, as well as turn on the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all the other videos that I have coming up later on this year. Links to all the products are going to be in the description below, so be sure to check those out, as well as my special discount code if any of you are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself. But until then, I appreciate you watching the video. Stay safe and hope you guys have a good one. Peace.